Welcome back to the UAV Understanding Drones course. Now in this lecture, we will learn a few things about the history of drones. How did they come into existence? Many traces of the history of drones is found in 1849 Italy, where Venice was fighting for its independence from Austria. Austrian soldiers attacked Venice with hot air, hydrogen or helium-filled balloons equipped with bombs. Abraham Karim is a pioneer in innovative fixed and rotatory wing unmanned vehicles and is regarded as the founding father of UAV technology. The earliest recorded use of an unmanned aerial vehicle for war fighting occurred in July 1849, serving as a balloon carrier in the first offensive use of air power in naval aviation. The first pilotless radio-controlled aircraft were used in World War I. The first generally used drone appeared in 1935 as a full-size retooling of the de Havilland DH-82B Queen Bee biplane, which was fitted with a radio and servo-operated controls in the backseat. UAV technology continued to be of interest to the military. Military drone use solidified in 1982 when the Israeli Air Force used UAVs to wipe out the Syrian effect with minimal loss of Israeli forces. If we talk about modern drone history, a Wall Street Journal report claims widespread drone use began in 2006 when the US Customs and Border Protection Agency introduced UAVs to monitor the US and Mexico border. In late 2012, Chris Anderson, editor-in-chief of Wired magazine, retired to dedicate himself to his drones company, that is 3D Robotics. The company, which started off specializing in hobbyist personal drones, now markets its UAVs to aerial photography and film companies, construction utilities and telecom business, and public safety companies, among others. In late 2013, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos announced a plan to use commercial drones for delivering activities. However, in July 2016, Reno-based startup Flirty beat Amazon to the punch, successfully delivering a package to a resident in Nevada via a commercial drone. So this is how drones came into existence, and as of now, the use of drones have continued to increase. Due to their wide proliferation, no comprehensive list of UAV systems exists. So see you all in the next lecture.